Hi loves, I am Julie Balderrama. I'm the Lazy Dream Witch, and I'm teaming up with Anna Marback to bring you a yummy, dreamy, luxurious, retreat-like workshop next weekend, August 6th, 7th, and 8th. And this is really where EK and Dreamwork and Hypersigiling have a yummy, juicy connection and intersection with one another. So in this particular retreat, we're going to focus on creating the life of our dreams. We're going to do this in such a way that is very different than things have been done before. We're at a time right now where things are breaking down. The way things used to work are not working anymore. We're feeling more burned out. And so that doesn't keep us from having these big, juicy dreams. And oftentimes we get tripped up about how to bring those big, juicy dreams out into the world because we know that we don't want to, or we can't do it in the way that it's been done before. So with this particular workshop, we're going to go deep into the subconscious, and we're going to find new ways. We're going to tap into our imaginal realm. We're going to use the wisdom of our dreams. We're going to find the sensations in our bodies and let them speak to us and give us these never before imagined steps to realizing our big juicy dreams, to bringing our big juicy dreams into the world. So I hope you'll join us. Of course, if you have any questions about this or you want more information about this, you can contact either myself or Anna Marback. You can find the link to register in the comments of this video wherever it gets posted, and we hope to see you there at the workshop. Sweet dreams.